Lions and tigers, two of the fiercest predators on Earth, have captured our imagination for centuries. But what if I told you there was a lion who didn't just face tigers, but defeated them repeatedly? Meet Juno, the legendary Barbary lion who lived under the care of Clyde Beatty, one of the most famous animal trainers of the 20th century. Juno isn't just remembered for his majestic appearance, but for his record of triumphing over 13 tigers throughout his lifetime. In this video, we'll uncover Juno's incredible story, explore his fierce battles with tigers, and dive into the context of these confrontations. Were they authentic battles for dominance or staged spectacles in a circus? Stick around to find out. Juno wasn't just any lion. He was a Barbary lion, a now extinct subspecies once native to North Africa. Known for their sheer size and thick, dark manes that extended across their shoulders, Barbary lions were considered the kings among lions. At his peak, Juno exemplified this royal status, standing out even among other big cats in Clyde Beatty's circus. Clyde Beatty was no ordinary animal trainer. In the mid-20th century, he became a household name for his daring acts, often stepping into arenas filled with lions and tigers. Beatty's performances were dramatic, involving carefully choreographed sequences to showcase the strength and agility of his animals. Among his collection of big cats, Juno stood out. Beatty described Juno as his favorite, a title that wasn't easily earned. Juno's powerful build, commanding presence, and fearless demeanor made him the star of Beatty's circus. Yet this favoritism wasn't without challenges. Juno often found himself at the center of intense encounters with other big cats, particularly tigers. Unlike other lions in the circus, Juno had both physical prowess and a combative spirit. His thick mane provided natural protection during fights, and his larger frame gave him an advantage in confrontations. These traits, combined with his aggressive yet calculated nature, made him a force to be reckoned with, both in the ring and during training sessions. Juno's legend centers around the claim that he defeated 13 tigers throughout his lifetime. These encounters were said to take place during circus performances or training sessions when lions and tigers were placed in the same enclosures. Whether these battles were spontaneous or encouraged by trainers remains a point of debate, but the outcomes always highlighted Juno's dominance. It's essential to understand that these encounters didn't occur in the wild. In their natural habitats, lions and tigers occupy different ecosystems and rarely meet. The battles involving Juno were products of the circus environment, where animals were often confined in close quarters, leading to territorial disputes and occasional fights. Several factors contributed to Juno's victories. Barbary lions are among the largest lion subspecies, with males weighing up to 600 pounds. Their physical superiority gave Juno a clear edge over his tiger opponents, which were often Bengal tigers. A lion's mane isn't just for show, it offers protection during fights. Juno's mane likely absorbed blows and claw strikes, reducing his injuries. Tigers are solitary by nature, while lions are used to social hierarchies and confrontation. Juno's experience in dealing with other lions may have prepared him for combat in the circus. Over time, Juno became a symbol of dominance and resilience. His record of victories over tigers cemented his place in circus lore. Yet, these battles came at a cost. Juno suffered numerous injuries throughout his career, earning him the title of the animal with the most stitches in Clyde Beatty's team. These scars were a testament to his fighting spirit and the harsh realities of circus life. Understanding the biology behind lion and tiger battles highlights the natural advantages of each species. Lions, being social animals, are accustomed to working in teams, which could enhance their fighting tactics. In contrast, tigers, solitary by nature, rely on stealth and raw strength. The Barbary lion, like Juno, is one of the largest lion subspecies, giving it a significant edge in size and power over many tigers, especially Bengal tigers. However, the outcome of these fights often depends on the environment and the individual animal's experience, as captivity played a key role in shaping these encounters. Juno's story raises several questions. Were these battles real reflections of a lion's natural dominance? Or were they artificially orchestrated for audience entertainment? During the early 20th century, animal welfare was not a priority, and circuses often pushed their animals into dangerous situations for the sake of drama and profit. Some critics argue that these fights were more about spectacle than survival, designed to showcase the ferocity of big cats while ignoring their well-being. Others believe that while the fights may have been instigated, Juno's victories highlight the natural strength of lions compared to tigers in such settings. The conditions of early circuses were far from ideal. Animals like Juno were confined to small spaces, subjected to stressful training routines, and forced to perform unnatural acts. The ethical implications of using animals for entertainment have since sparked significant debates, leading to modern restrictions on wild animal performances. Juno's tale is one of extraordinary dominance in a setting that was anything but natural. As a Barbary lion, he embodied strength and resilience, overcoming the odds to leave a lasting legacy in the circus world. His victories over 13 tigers remain a fascinating chapter in the lion versus tiger debate, even if they occurred under unnatural circumstances. While Juno's record is impressive, it's crucial to remember that these battles were shaped by captivity. In the wild, lions and tigers would approach confrontations differently, with factors like environment, experience, and individual temperament playing significant roles. Now it's your turn. What do you think of Juno's story? Do his victories prove lions are superior to tigers? Or do they reflect the unique circumstances of circus life? Let us know in the comments below. Juno's story may have settled one chapter in the lion versus tiger debate, but there's another tiger that takes this battle to an even more extreme level. Meet Gunga, the tiger who allegedly killed 30 lions in real-life fights. It's a tale of raw power, survival, and unimaginable battles. Want to know how it happened? Click the link on screen to watch the full video on Gunga the tiger. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into big cat history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating wildlife stories.